My name is Abdul Hadi Ajmal. I'm studying first year BBA. Everyone, good afternoon. My topic is failure and success. You know everyone shocking news uh, recently. Okay, monkey riding in bike, grab in the truck in the road, benching and jumping and young girl is trapping and kidnapping and this. Okay, just my topic. Let's start. So failure failure is a part of life and most certainly part of business. We don't appreciate knowledge in, but failure also is fundamental element of our success. But if you can shift your look failure and not something, but something valuable, you beginning understand you thought failure truly learn and success. Uh, be careful how you talk to yourself because you are listening. Self talk can be incredible, demanding, and after the failure, handle your self talk. Don't allow to make you feel worthless. Aftermath of the failure, let the moment then you everything you can stay positive, get back in the track. If it's far better to do something impact you than you to do nothing perfectly. We are the product of our past, but we don't have to let our mistakes defend us. Every even if the past did not go to head, future better than uh, talk about past and failures. The enemy of success, fear of the failures. Uh, Consistent action creates consistent result. Strength though does come from what you can do. It comes think thoughts of yourself fall down, but learn to yourself. Get up, move forward. What do you every day matter more than you everyone's will consider key. Failure is an only way to grow to yourself, grow organization because utility is how to learn is success. You can't is alone the and you don't have to. Failure is the only way to grow to yourself. Experience in wanted convert to own success. Thank you everyone. Wonderful opportunity to give me, ma'am.
Very nice, Ajmal. You're improving with every presentation, and that's exactly what everybody should do. Make use of these opportunities that we are giving. I think this is Ajmal's third presentation, right, Ajmal?
No, ma'am. It's just the second presentation.
Second, okay, second. But we see a vast, yeah, the vast, difference and the confidence level, and that's what is important. Like Suchitra ma'am said, English is a foreign language or a second language for us. We are bound to make mistakes while speaking, pronouncing, or even the choice of vocabulary. Those are all secondary. What is important is confidence to use the language, and that's what we see Ajmal do time and again. I thought it was your third presentation. You see that kind of confidence and the kind of interest that he's showing. He's always ready to make a presentation. I think all of us should learn from that. Make use of opportunities. Very good, beta. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Suchitra ma'am. Good, Ajmal. I like the spirit that you have in you. Always wanting to present and improve, and even for classes, he's very regular, so I really admire his enthusiasm doing that, Ajmal. And as ma'am said, she thought it is third presentation. That means that was the confidence that you gained. I think everyone should, this is an example, he's an example that each time you come and present, how confident you turn out to be next time. So very good, keep it up. Bangla ma'am.
Well done, Ajmal. Really, as ma'am said, whenever there is an extension lecture by any department, any student feedback I see, you are the first one to jump onto the stage and give a feedback. That shows the proactiveness, your self-interest to improve and present. Keep doing it. You will definitely improve. You have improved from your first presentation to the second one. There's a lot of change and improvement. Everybody take the example of Ajmal and use this opportunity and do well. Okay, thank you, Ajmal. You did very well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.